Hello, my name is David Lambert. Thank you for taking this time to listen to my brand new presentation. So let's start off with my vision. So what I want to be able to envision is obviously always embracing that never-ending job that I have of being a college coach. I want to help my athletes obtain their college degrees and also help them to perform at the highest level in collegiate tennis. So my slogan is, if you don't sacrifice for what you won't become a sacrifice. To me, that means that if you're not willing to do the extra little things, that those goals that you want will never be achieved. So professional interaction is literally the reason that I'm in the spot that I am. All the networking that I've been privileged to be a part of has led me to ETBU, and I hope to continue that and just to learn from all the Division One and Two collegiate coaches and all of the coaches that I'm at around at ETBU. So insight and innovation, I want to be able to learn as much as I can about my program and my players. That way I can innovate and help us to become more successful in the future. In my job, I want to be able to sacrifice myself 100% and also give max effort so that I put my players and my program in the best situation and the best position to succeed. So my mission. So I want to help my players become self-thinking and performing individuals. I want to help them problem solve. I hope that in the future they never rely on somebody else to fix what they have going wrong in their life. They're not adults yet, so one of my jobs is to help them develop so that they can do everything on their own in the future. So in order to help every student athlete, I think my biggest job is to just give maximum effort, learn as much as I can about them in the program in order to put everybody in the best situation to succeed. What I hope to be is a coach like Peter Smith. He won 5 national championships at USC, and I hope to create a championship mentality and culture where hard work is a requirement and winning is a habit. So my values. So I want to be able to inspire and help others to have the same work ethic that I have. I want to help others be able to adapt. Tennis is a game of adaptation, and if you stay doing the same, usually you won't win a match. Um, I believe in individual instruction to help the team. Tennis is an individual sport, so everyone needs to feel like they have the coaches back, and the coaches all plan to have every individual succeed. And then I think doing things right the first time is a very big value in my life. So I hope to instill correct execution the first time for success. So, like I said, my values are work ethic, adaptation, individual work for the team, and correct execution. So that means to me that everyone must learn to put that max effort in to adapt in everything they do, so they become stronger. To be okay with being uncomfortable, so they can grow. And then we all must embrace the process and help everybody execute correctly to achieve the best team outcome. And then how do I measure my effectiveness? So first off, my knowledge. Do I know everything about my athletes? Do I know what their daily struggles are on court and off? Do I have everything that I need to fulfill my goal of helping them? Um, Also, my motivation. Do I help my athletes be motivated on and off the court? Am I creating a team and recruiting a team that's going to help our program rise in ability? And also, are we playing teams that are better competitive than we are so that our program begins to rise? Because if we're playing teams that are just walkovers, we're not getting better. So technique, I'm a very technical coach, and I believe that having correct technique, just the little things in tennis, also translate to life. So if you do little things correctly on the tennis court, you're going to do the little things right in life. And in practice, are we winning at the skill acquisition so that during matches everything is correct? And then character, are we reflecting Christ? Do my teams give good sportsmanship, and do we also respect our opponents so that ETBU tennis is reflected in a good light? Well, I hope you enjoyed my brand new presentation. Hopefully you see that I aim to instill max effort and that I feel like work ethic is a very important tool and I hope that all my athletes continue to achieve.